I didn't expect to leave a painting workshop thinking only about sound of paper, dust, and permanently stained fingers. I wanted to widen my artist's skill set, and I came home with much clearer understanding of why watercolor is my medium and not pastels. But let me start from the beginning. A few weeks ago, there was an announcement in a local artist studio that there will be a workshop with visiting artist, famous pastelist from France, Monsieur Alain Voisin. And when I looked at his paintings, I was mesmerized. The movement, the reflections, the absolutely amazing transitions of colors, I was in. I have to learn how to do it. I was working with water since a while and it was always a failure. So I thought this is the time. I signed up. Even though I saw somewhere that this might be pastels, I didn't fully took in what that meant. So imagine my surprise when I arrived at the studio and for the first time I was given the soft pastels or the chalky pastels. And the studio was as usually marvelously equipped. Every time I go there for some workshop, you have everything you need, you could dream of. So I took in the challenge. I chose my colors for the first painting. And then I had my first aha moment. Because one of the first advices which we received from our tutor was to guard the black. We were working on black paper. And then my whole mindset from watercolor was just flipped upside down. Like I was working always to guard the white paper, to not use white. And suddenly I had to go reverse. I have to protect the black and go from dark to white. Well, it wasn't easy for me, but I decided to take it in. My paintings or drawings at the beginning look totally not like I expected. It was very colorish cartoon. And at some point I figured out that actually you can use the whole pastel, not only the tip. You can draw with the side, which allowed me to not only create transitions but also to fill in bigger amount of paper. And that was something which was absolutely satisfying, to fill in the paper with the layers from the side. And the second realization, which was also very, very oddly satisfying, was that you could actually smudge it with the fingers. So you could blend it in together, overlap them a little bit to create shades and transitions. So I started to do it. But I faced a situation which I still don't know how you pastelists are coping with. Permanently dirty fingers. So I smudged something darker and then I wanted to smudge something lighter and my fingers were dirty. I had to wash them again or wipe with some kind of cloth. It was a mess. I honestly don't know how people can work in such a big formats with so many colors and layers and how you are dealing with this permanent dust on the fingers. And it actually digged quite deep. So the first day, I have to admit, it was quite challenging to completely flip the logic of creating and work with new colors, with new approach, and this using hands directly on the paper was something completely new to me. But on the day 2, when we broke the ice with pastels, we actually went into more interesting topics, like the water actually moving, the waves breaking on the shore or on the rocks. And I was thrilled, although I wasn't able to do them exactly as on referenced photos. I immediately started to took photo maybe indication, but not one-to-one reference, and I started to interpret it. I was adding colors, changing tonations, and so on. You can even see that the photo of the sea, which was totally gray, I painted in teal, turquoise, green, and so on. And at the beginning, the teacher tried to correct me to make it more accurate, to have the result which is comparable. But at some point, he simply gave up and just said like that I'm clearly a colorist. He probably meant it as an observation. I treat it as a compliment. So in the end, during workshop, I created 4 paintings, 2 of the lakes or rivers, 2 of the sea. And I don't know how to feel about it. I definitely wasn't guarding the black as I was supposed to. But it was very interesting to challenge myself with totally new logic, new technique, new materials, and new approach. I don't think I will be a pastelist, to be honest. The sound of dirty fingers against the pastel was like chalk on the board, and I just couldn't unhear it. So let me know, do you use pastels or you prefer watercolors?